In this video, we're going to learn about our div tag, how we can use our div tag, where to use our div tag. So div tag basically is used for organizing, and it helps to give you control on your page. So when selecting content on the website, using div is an easy way for you to have control over the pages and sections of your website. So you can put a div tag on every item to give it its section, or to give it its own particular line. So that's what we're going to learn today. It is very important on our website because it gives you the ability to select an item on the website and to be very specific about the item. So you can also use div in aligning item or section of your website. So mostly we can use div to create sessions on our website. So you can have a website and then you arrange your content in sections and in session. So we have one session, we have the second section, third sections, and like that. So that's what div tag is all about on the website. So one thing about div tag is when it comes to selecting item or nesting and organizing item, div is the best option that you're going to use. So in relation to the class and IDs, so we can use the classes and ID along with the div tag. So all these work together for organization and specific targeting. So the more div you have on your page, the more control you have on your page for selecting. So if you have less div, the less control you have on your page, the less control you have on your website. So this gives element its own block. That's when I'm talking about session. So let me show you something briefly. So I can just create a div here, and then I'll go to my style sheet, and then I'm going to give it a div, and then I'll save this. I'm just going to make this 300 pixels, and then I'll make the height to 200 pixels, and then I'll save this. So in this div tag, I'm just going to write a text. I'm going to say hello world, and then I'll save and go to my browser. So we have the shape here, so we have this section over here. So I'll go here and go to my style sheet. So I want to add, so I'll add color. I want color to be white, and then I'll save this, and then I'll go back to my page. So we have we have hello world in this session. So I can just go ahead again and create another session. So I'll go over here and then create another div tag. I'm going to type in new tag. So I'm just going to save this, and then I'll go to my style sheet and then make another div tag. So make another, my categories, then I'll just copy this. I'll copy this, and then I'm going to paste it right here and then change it. So I'm going to change this to 400 pixels, change this to 300 pixels, and then I'm going to leave the color. I'm going to change the color to red. So I have red, and then the text, I'm going to make the text black. So I'm just going to save this, and then I'll go back to my browser. You see, when we talked about class, it's for targeting. I said if you have two particular elements on your website and you have to style, you have to give it a class, because if you have the same element with the same name and you style, the style is going to the new style is going to be effective on the rest elements you have with the same name on the website. So that is why it is very necessary to give class when you're creating website. So I'll just go back to my index page right here, and then I'm going to give this a class. So I'll just go in and type class and give this a class. I'm going to name it session, and then I'll save this. So I'll go back to my style sheet, and then I'm going to make this dot session class session. So I'm going to save, and then I can go back to my page, and you can see we have 2 sessions in our website. You can see we have 2 sessions on our website already. So this is what div tag does on the website. So making use of the div tag on your website makes it very easy for you to have all your works in sessions and for you to have control of your website. That's all we'll be talking about in this video. See you in the next video.